Well, today is September 10th, 2014, and I'm on site at Nadaka to show the progress. So this is the nature-based play area, what is going to be the nature-based play area. This is the stream with the boulders along the edge, so we'll have a pump that actually pumps water. It won't run all the way here, but this is the size of the nature-based play area. It will go all the way to the back of that orange fence. And yesterday, part of what will be the pervious pavement road all the way around the nature-based play area was excavated. So this shows the rest of our boulders are over there, and they will be placed at the south end of the nature-based play area. So this is the pervious paved road that will go around the nature-based play area. This will be the north end of the nature-based play area, which won't be changed a whole lot. There will be some stepping logs placed here, a nurse log. But as you can see, this will be a lovely path for people to walk or stroll. It will be wheelchair accessible. But the people will be able to walk around the nature-based play area. They can stop and pause if they want to go down the trail into the forest. They can go that way or that way past the kiosk. I know this video is a little bumpy, but the path has not been smoothed out yet, or the pervious pavement has not been put in. So as you can see, it curves right around the nature-based play area. This is the meadow, which is we call it the south end of the forest. That's where our festival on September 27th will be held. But we're circling around the edge of the nature-based play area. The Verde is here today to start peeling the dug firs, which have been moved. They're peeling the bark off, and those will be used as steppers and as standing poles. And there are the girls ladies, young women from the Oregon tradeswomen that are there building the ADA boxes for the community garden and the tool sheds. So I'm walking over past some of the piles of dirt. This will be the end of the nature-based play area, and this is where the mound of boulders will go, and then there'll be sand at the base of that and a water pump. I'm trying to work my way over to where they're taking the bark off the dug firs, because that's quite the production. So I'm going to walk over to get a look at the process of stripping the bark off the dug firs. Very time consuming, very difficult. Looks like to me anyway. So I hope you don't mind. I'm taking a little video of stripping the bark off the dug firs, which I understand is, and as you can see, very time consuming and difficult. But he's making progress. One is completely done. So these are going to be the standing poles, and Cedar Mills will place these in the nature-based play area. And then we have another pile over here that Verde is going to be working on today. And they'll be stripping the bark off of these. And these will be used for the nature-based play area as well. But these will mostly be steppers and things like that. And there's some of the people working here on site. So I'll just give you one more quick look at what's going on today. City of Gresham, they're here today, of course, overseeing the project. And this is our community garden spot, which has all been plowed. Space for 30 to 40 families to grow vegetables. We're very proud of that. And this is the pad that was laid last Friday for one of the tool sheds. There's the compost provided by, now I've forgotten the name, terrible. But there's the other pad over there for the tool shed. Anyway, that ends the tour for today. The next video will show you much more progress, I'm sure.